Elleeplex ReGEN NextGen is one of the most innovative Step 3 formulas for lash lifting or lash lamination in the world today. We've updated our formula for 2022, and some may say, why would you want to improve your already amazing formula? Well, that is part of being a progressive company. And at Elleebana, it does take us time with our research and development to make sure that we're happy with the products, that they are efficient, and that we meet all the safety requirements around the world. And we do a lot of clinical testing, hundreds of clinical trials with our products before we release them into the market to make sure that we're happy with the results and that our clients are really happy as well. Some of the additions include Myristoyl Pentapetide-17 and Biotinol Tripeptide-1, as well as our proprietary blend of Serine, Threonine and Arginine. And this beautiful blend of ingredients has shown excellent results in the clinical trials, being able to strengthen chemically treated hair by up to 21%, and also the elasticity of the hair by 18%. This is really important when we are doing permanent wave treatments on lashes or brows. We want them to be really healthy. We don't want our clients to suffer from unruly grow out, and we don't want to worry about over-processing. Using Profusion and ReGEN is a great option as it really takes the worry out of over-processing. With the Myristoyl Pentapetide-17 in vitro trials, it identified a specific lipooligopeptide with a structure that ensures optimal bioavailability in order to stimulate keratin production effectively. Biotinyl Tripeptide-1 promotes hair bulb keratinocyte proliferation and ensures optimal hair anchorage by stimulating the synthesis and organization of the adhesion molecules laminin 5 and collagen. It helps eyelashes appear longer, fuller, and stronger. Serine plays a critical role in protein synthesis. Threonine helps to moisturize and hydrate hair, and Arginine is one of the most important amino acids in keratin. It helps to strengthen the hair, minimize hair loss, prevent hair breakage, moisturize, and it's in particular really good for people that have chemical treatments on their hair, such as bleach or coloring, really helping to strengthen the hair, which is fantastic when we're doing permanent wave treatments on eyelashes or brows. ReGEN's innovation continues with Powerbond technology. We have added a special proprietary blend of BIS-4-PCA Dimethicone, which helps to work with the molecules within the hair shaft, restoring the disulphide bonds and the hydrogen bonding of hair. This is also restoring the natural hydrophobicity of the lashes as well, which can be lost during the perming or coloring process. ReGEN's development really has peerless refinement and unmatched capability. With vitamins, Panthenol and Biotin, and over 8 different plant extracts in the formula as well, it really makes ReGEN one of the most outstanding plant-based Step 3 solutions in the market today for lash lift. During our clinical and scientific trials, we took Profusion and ReGEN under the SEM, scanning electron microscope, and we magnified the lashes up to 1700 times. And you can see the condition of the lashes after the service. The cuticle scales are nice and smooth, and the lashes are strong and healthy. And this is so important when we're doing chemical treatments or permanent wave treatments with our clients' lashes and brows. It is crucial that the hairs are in absolute perfect condition so that our clients don't have any unruly growth. They don't have to worry about over-processing, which is such a worry in the market if you're not 100% accurate with your timing when you're using a faster-based system. So it's very, very forgiving and easy to use, but gives incredible results. If we have a look at these case studies on the models using Elleeplex Profusion and ReGEN, you can see the condition of their lashes many weeks after having a lash lamination service, and their lashes grow out beautifully. They are beautiful and healthy and ready to come back and have the service again without any issues about lash damage at all. At Elleebana, it has always been about excellence in service and innovation in product development and education. If we can help you with any technical support or any information with education or our products, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at elleebana.com.